So let's get to the euro analysis for today. For a delay. So let's see uh, how the market is today and what should be our range to trade and what should be our bias. So we are already in bearish bias since there is nothing to mitigate and in monthly. Let's say that. Sorry about it. So this is the range. This is the area from where the market is actually reacting, keeping it like this. So let's make it visible to it till weeks only. I won't be needing it for days. Clear it. Okay, fine. Yeah. So let's move to the weekly. What do we have in weekly and where the market reacted? The market reacted from the imbalance over here and we rushed towards the downside. The last point left for the unmitigated area was here. So the market has already violated it and we have left nothing. Rather, everything over here is mitigated. So basically, this is our goal for the long time. That is weekly basis. Uh, there's nothing like that. Let's mark as goal. This is our drawn liquidity. Okay. Uh, okay. So now what do we have? Let's see that what are our strong highs. So this is our strong high. Since it took the liquidity of the previous candle in weekly, we'll be considering it. Uh, and what do we have other than that? We have this, but the market uh, has reacted. It has closed below it. Let's clear our vision by looking into the lower time frames that how the market is actually reacting to it. So we have pretty much taken the external liquidity of this leg over here. So there is no inducement in the daily. Probably this leg will be gone, and I'm still looking for the buy sides. So let our smaller time frame guide. So this will be the liquidity sweep. Okay, and let's move to the 4 hour so that we can rectify our direction. So this is the dole for the daily. Okay, this is the dole for the daily level, and we are gonna go up according to my analysis. How are we actually doing it? Uh, this is the zone from where the market can react, but let the smaller time frame guide us that how it is gonna react. Okay, so what do we have? We have this level in 2 hours. Okay, this level in 2 hours. So you can clearly see that there is some imbalance. So the price actually took the liquidity of this level and I'll still wait for the break of this area for confirmation. So basically, if it is gonna be the strong low, then most probably we are gonna break this high, and then we are gonna go from this level. So everything is vague till we get a breakout above it or break down below it. So in 15 minutes, let's go for the 15 minutes now. So either we are gonna wait for the breakout over here, or we are gonna fall down. So current market scenario is like this only. And what do we have in 2 hours? Let's see. We have this level of support for the market, and we have this zone which is if it breaks with the body in 15 minutes, we'll be considering this level as a buy level, and we will be going for a buy. Okay, so this is all for today for euro. Let's confirm it with DXY, how DXY is reacting, since it is the 1 by X pair inversely proportional to Dixie. Let's see how it is actually behaving in the market. So let's move to the Dixie part monthly. We'll be doing the same thing with the Dixie too. So in monthly, what do we have? We have Dixie somewhat getting weird. Okay, so we are actually support from this area. I mean, just telling you that we swept this area and we are at this area in the monthly. Okay, so if we are at this level, we might see the slightest reaction from here, since this is the first time we are mitigating it. So let's uh, let's make it visible to just daily. Okay, so when we switch back to the uh, weekly time frame, we have this strong high over here, and the price is has not broken the high of the previous week. So we still have 2 days left, and it is kind of bearish for me. I'll just look at this. We have an FBG left over here, so probably we are going to come down and mitigate it. Let's see what do we have now. Okay, so everything got disappeared. I need it, at least this one. So let's get to the daily time frame. So we got into the daily time frame, and what do we have here? So in daily time frame, we have a volume imbalance over here, and we have a strong high, which took the liquidity of the previous high, and then we broke down. So what are our targets? So for us, it is a weak low. Okay, it is a weak low, and most probably it's gonna be violated. We can tell it as a inducement for sellers, and we are going down in this scenario. Let's get to the 4 hours for that, for making our vision much clearer. So we took the imbalance, volume imbalance over there, and we are now reacting. So this is the 4 hour. We took the sweep over here. Okay, and let's get to the 15 minute for the confirmation that was that sweep okay with us. So this is the sweep of the previous highs, and what are the lows we are expecting to clear with this sweep is actually a strong sweep. So we'll be waiting till 105.084 to confirm the sweep. And what will be our target? Our target will be this inducement, since we have a zone left over here. So this is how we are going to trade if there is a confirmation over here. Uh, let's see how the market reacts to it. Jumping into the smaller time frame won't actually make us more comfortable in it. So I'll be doing it till 2 hours time frame. So thank you. Let's see how the market reacts. We have already trapped the buyers over here. If you can see that there was a bull flag over here. Uh, let's randomly make it. So we have a bull flag over here. Earlier it was like this. Precision. Earlier it was like this, and we swept the liquidity, and then now the bulls are uh, being trapped since their SL has been hit. Now they are again trying to enter the market, since it is a sweep and market is again approaching towards the high. Euro is already bullish, and DXY is showing its bearish trade till the inducement. So this is my analysis for today. Let's see how the market reacts.